Guys, as you know, when it is December, it is winter season, and you know it is the cold. It's a very cold season, but we thank God because we haven't been having so much snow. So I'm gonna take you along. As you can see, the way the things have changed as we head to another big city, which you will see. So get along, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and those of you who have already subscribed, comment, like the video, comment, and share, invite your friends, so that you can help me to grow this channel. I will really appreciate, and I always appreciate, and I say thank you for all the support and the love that you are always showing to me. So guys, on my left I have my Abby, and I'm with my husband. So let him say hi to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Kindly consider subscribing and hit the like button. Always subscribe by Sunday, leave a comment. So today is Saturday morning. It's almost the afternoon, 18 minutes from now. We are getting to afternoon. December 2023. December, which day is today?
I think it's 16.
I think it's 16.
We are in the middle of this.
So it is Saturday 11:45 right now. We are I-94. I've been saying all about this road, you know about it. So let's go out to the web. And we probably see something around, then we come back. So keep an eye watching and then follow us and subscribe please. That's the only way you can keep us moving. And then let's go to it. Let's do this.
Oh, thank you. Okay, guys, as you see outside, this is how the weather is. We had a lot of snow some few days ago, and I think this morning we had some snow from last night, but it wasn't so much. That's why you see it is like melting out, because right now it is 32 degrees. So it's not so cold as we see. Yeah, so we are on this road on I-94
West.
I-94 West. So come along with us so that we can take you on this road trip, as you will be seeing some new changes, because we did a video in this road when it was summertime, and now you're gonna compare and see how things have already changed for this season of winter, and you can compare and see a lot of changes, because you know right now everybody, you have to be driving around, no walking. But we thank God for life though.
If you look around here, this is a city. It's called Mapleton. So Mapleton is one of the cities in North Dakota, and it's actually beneath of the I-94. Kind of snow, you know, some black ice on the road, but it's looking cool, not that bad. So guys, this bridge that we are crossing right now, it used to be flooded, but they raised it a little bit. But right now it looks good, even if we have black ice on the road. And well, it's really cold outside, although it is 32 Celsius outside, so it's not that cold. It's cold though, but it is cold.
And it's
when I came, there was snow on the ground. And when I saw it, the first impression came into my mind. I thought, like when I was picking up from the airport coming, I thought it is sold. So I say, oh, America, that's sold everywhere. So when I get to the house, I had to get out even if it was night. No, the following morning again, after in the morning, I opened the door, I came outside and then I went directly to the snow and I got full of hand. I put it in my mouth. Oh, it was so cold. And then I thought like it wanna be bitter like it's sold, but it wasn't sold. Yeah, so that's how it was.
Wow.
So I came during the season of this and I get used to it.
Yeah, me when I just came here the first time when we came, it wasn't winter yet, it was fall season. So we stayed for like 1 month. When we were almost the second month, it started snowing and we were so excited. We were so excited because for the first time you are going to touch the snow, huh? For the first time you are going to see the snow. I was like, wow, when am I gonna get outside so that I can even take a picture? You know?
I see those pictures.
Yeah, I always see them and I always keep them because they give me very good memories because I was so excited. Everybody was excited.
I think the year when you came, that is when we had very fast snow. It came very fast.
October, yeah.
Like October. And it's never happening like that, but it came quick.
Yeah.
Unexpected.
Yeah, I remember I was even wearing, I think I went outside, yeah, I was wearing a winter jacket. No, I was wearing a winter jacket. We had already gone for shopping for the winter gear. So I had my jacket and I was with my youngest son. He was wearing even boots, but I was wearing a skirt. Huh? I was wearing a skirt, but I was wearing with a skin tight and I was wearing my boots. That picture, when I just see it every time, I always remember those memories and I was so excited. Like when it started snowing, we were just watching through the window, like we are so excited. We are like, wow. And then there were large snowflakes, you know, and it's a very good experience. Like when you see, when it is snowing, like the large snowflakes, it's very good. It's very good. You feel like you need to be outside, you know. It's like when we are in Africa, when we used to be young kids, like when it is raining, you feel like you need to be running up outside when it is raining so that you can be rained, you shower while it is raining, and then you go inside to change clothes. The next day you are sick.
That's right.
The next day you are sick and you can't even say that you were outside playing in the rain. Yeah, that's how it was.
So everybody has a different experience about it, but snow is good when you see it for the first time, but it is bad when you are driving, you know.
Exactly.
So if you haven't get slided with your car during the snow when you're driving, then you have an experience what you can take it.
Yeah.
You know, we are living in the northern states. So the northern states is like Chicago, Wisconsin, Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, all those ones, because we are the far north to Canada, whereby we are surrounded by lakes, oceans, so it snows a lot. The people from east, if you go to the south, Texas, there's no snow. See?
Yeah.
There's not much snow there. So also they have their own calamities, like
Oh yeah, they have their own
when it
challenges.
comes. Every state has got its own. When if you go to sunny cities like California, so they have their own challenges. But we get used to this.
Yeah.
So those ones.
Yeah, another thing I don't like when it is snowing and you are going to work, drive change or
No,
something?
you know the good thing, even if you fall down, there's no water, it's just only the ice, you know, to get down.
Yeah.
So you don't even get wet because there was no clouting water. So just as natural. So I went to work, I was to get late, but my hand was aching because I feel like I tangled, but it wasn't. And then after getting to the exit, taking me to work, and then my car slided, and then it went all around it to the ditch down. So I'm off the road, I'm down there on the exit.
5 minutes to work.
Yeah, I was very close there. And then I'm like, what the hell? What do I have to do? So I stayed there. I saw people like driving on that exit, and they were, are you okay? Are you okay? Like, you can see I'm okay. I'm sitting on the driving seat.
Yeah.
And then my car was still on, but I put it on the back end. And then I saw like, let me start it. So I started driving, and then I moved myself out. Nobody arrested
that
me.
was so good.
It was good. So I didn't get stuck.
That one was so
Then I went.
Yeah, so me, my worst experience was I used to work like I used to drive like 45 miles away. So, and I was going for an evening shift, and then I said, let me start going earlier. Though they sent out the warning, but that we're gonna have a terrible storm, but you know, the city where we were living, it wasn't much snow, there was no storm, everything was so cool. And I said, maybe these people they didn't analyze the weather well. Oh boy, I went, and then after driving like 35 miles, 25 miles away, then I started seeing like, is that a storm or what? And then you know, the more you go, the more it increases. I said, can I go back? Because now I'm in the middle. Where I'm coming from, it is already there. Where I'm heading to, it is too terrible. And I'm like, what should I do? And then I said, let me keep going, maybe. And then the more I kept going, the more it was too much. I can't even, now visibility was 10, 5, now it was totally 0. Visibility was 0, and I'm like, what should I do? You can't park because you don't see you can't see the side of the road where it is safe, where you can park. You don't even see where you are. It is a one-way, so there's no way I can say like, let me go back. I was so, and then I drove and I found somebody parked with the car, and then I went like, I didn't even go far from him, and then I ended up into the ditch because I can't see. I ended up into the ditch. The storm is very much. I'm trying to see whether I can see the road. I can't see. I got outside, I'm being covered by the snow. The wind is blowing very much. The snow is covering me. The snow is covering my car. And I said, the only thing I can do, I have to get inside my car. Then I called my husband to tell him what has happened to me, and he's like, didn't I tell you not to go to work, guys? Can you imagine, instead of sympathizing with me and bringing a solution, he's starting like, didn't I tell you not to go to work? And
But the warning was sent out.
and I'm like, I'm in a situation, guy. I'm in a situation.
But I couldn't help because I was also very far away.
Yeah, and then he was also working in a far place, so I'm like, what should I do?
Call the police.
And then I had to call the police, and then they asked me, are you safe? I said yes. Is the car on? I said yes. And then they said, stay inside the car. Then I stayed inside the car, and then they asked me, is the car driving? tow truck? I said, yeah. So they had to send a tow truck. Even the police, they just stopped in a distance to put the lights on so that people can know that there's an incident. But they didn't even come closer to me to even access me. They just sent a tow truck, a police tow truck. Those guys, they just came. They helped my car out, and then they asked me, "Are you now?" Since they understood that I'm working in a facility where they really need help, so they asked me, "What can we give you a ride?" I said, "No, I need to ride." They said, they told me to be ahead of them so that they can be behind me, so that in case of anything they can help me out. Guys, do you know how much they charged me? $300. And I was not going to make $300.
Yeah, because they sent the warning out, you didn't take it serious.
Yeah, because they used to say like we have to come and stay in the hotel, and I'm like, how can I stay in the hotel? And I am a mom, I have kids, I have to be there for them, I have to know whether they came from school, I have to know whether they are okay before going to work. So I said, I can't stay in the hotel, I have to go home.
That's what it is. So the other city here is called Buffalo Allies. Other small city.
Guys, this is the city. We are heading to the city called Jamestown. In 3 miles, we shall be the city called Jamestown. As you can see, it is very sunny outside, but it is 33 degrees, so it's not so warm. It's not warm even if
goes. It doesn't go. It can go to the capital city, the downtown, but south. It's express, which can take you to another city called Menden. And then it's gonna go to connect I-94 East. So it will take you all the way. It will take you to Montana. And this is where they get their power source of electricity here. The connection where it is.
Yeah.
And remember up there, that's where we used to have a garden.
I remember, that's why I said like this road. Yeah, guys, this city, personally, I like this city a lot. And we wanted to move to this city, but we never managed. But maybe soon, maybe in the future, not soon.
So this one can take us to downtown. This one can take you to the University of Mary. Can take you to the airport. All that. And these are the boats.
You see now, since the boats are not on work, they just cover them up until summer time. They are not in use. Bismarck Public Schools.
And this building here is Bismarck Prison. This is prison.
Oh.
This is the prison. Rehabilitation center. It's up there. It's prison. And this one is gonna take us to downtown. This is 26th Ave Street, 26th Street. It goes all the way up there. Remember, you used to come occupational medical clinic?
Oh, when we were going to.
Yeah, if you
For
go
the-
there briefly, check, drive, just X-ray and other things. That's where they send you always.
I think this is the Bismarck Old Town.
It's not really downtown, but downtown is up there. But if you go the far north, you feel like that's where they are having modern houses now. This is Airport Road. Down there, that was after there's African store. There's another African store down there. You know. First, we need to change the button for the key, the car key. So this is how we usually change. It's area, not like already.
So you wanna change now?
It's costing like $6 to $7, not $4 costing. Even your car, I think you need to change it.
Oh boy, why didn't you tell me? I should have
No,
brought
we
mine
can,
because you
we
know,
can
like,
change in. We can change back in our city still.
you know, I don't like when nowadays when I'm restarting
No,
my
we
car.
can change in our city because it's everywhere. Maybe tomorrow.
When I'm restarting my car nowadays, it doesn't work because you know, I think the battery is low.
Yeah, it has taken time.
And you know, I have to restart.
That's the hospital, Sanford Hospital. It's the biggest.
Sanford,
The
Alexis.
CHI. The CHI. Interstate here about that. That's where you can change the key. It's very cheap there. They change it immediately. other car, the Chevy Equinox. It was like $4. Here, if you need batteries, that's where you can find very good batteries. Even batteries for drones, for everything. They sell it. Very nice.
Sanford is right here.
This is another Sanford. You know, this is the main here hospital. It is like it's like the hospital I work, the one I used to work there. They have everywhere.
So where is the main Sanford? Is it in Bismarck, Fargo, or where?
The main one is in Fargo. These are branches. And remember this one? I told you that we need to come and look something here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no. This one, I told you that we need to come there and look something because that's where we bought it. So people, when they park like this, they are drinking beers and other things, eating, because this is Italy. This is
Today's weekend though, wine bar.
so we want to go to that. This is Italy.
So this is
This is downtown.
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 Why is it like most places, the downtown, they look similar? Because the buildings here look the same
Because
as
they built it a
Fargo.
long time ago, so that's why it's like that. But if you go outskirts, you find like they're building modern houses. So here, this is the town now. They came to expand. People, they expand as they grow up or as the years count. That's when they build the modern ones. Do we have a national bank in your country? You have
Of
national
course,
bank there.
we do.
I think we're gonna go through here. That street. We have US Bank over here. Then we have Gate City Bank. That's where they repair shoes. Have you ever seen a place in America where they repair shoes? That is it. Katina. Katina Capital Shoe Hospital.
Wow.
Yeah, so
Wow,
there they repair
shoe
shoes.
hospital.
You have to make an appointment. And then they
Wow.
can repair for you.
Yeah, sometimes my shoes, like, they get off like the buckle. I feel like the shoes is very new, but just to keep it and maybe if I'm gonna go to Africa, just take it home.
This is the House for Representative, and there's a post office there. The representative of North Dakota, the Senate. That's where he has office.
Guys, these are the buildings, offices, apartments in Bismarck City in North Dakota. We are trying to take you through these streets so that you can be able to see how Bismarck is looking, how it is.
And this is the high school, but the being here in Bismarck here, they wear uniform. So they have to wear uniform. They have specific uniform they wear.
Wow. So that time when we were looking for the school,
Because
so we should have started
this
wearing
one
uniform.
is a private school.
Oh.
It is called St. Mary's Academy. So it's a private, so you have to wear uniform.
Saturday to 4 p.m. I think it. No. Oh yes, it is open.
Let's go then.
Guys, we're gonna check some stuff. We are going here, and then we're gonna buy something, and then we get going. Guys, we are still here in the Bismarck streets. We are trying to take you around so that you can be able to see for yourself how Bismarck is looking like, the streets, the houses, the apartments, the everything, the business, the weather and everything. As you can see, there is a lot of snow on the ground, meaning
First Baptist Church.
yeah, so
Meaning we have Second Baptist Church.
oh wow, no.
Baptist Church again?
No,
Lutheran
Lutheran.
Church. Good Shepherd Lutheran
You
Church.
were about to say second, right?
Of course.
Oh no,
And then we have YMCA.
don't.
YMCA.
I don't know why they like the Washington Street. There is Washington
common
Street in Fargo. Is it Fargo? No, Grand Forks. And there is Bismarck. Maybe they are named after George Washington.
This house was taken by Kenyan, and now patience before property. There's a Kenyan who used to live that. Oh, there's a golf field. It is so white now.
Oh wow, no golf now. No season for golf. Yeah guys, this city is very beautiful. It's very attractive when it is summertime. When you drive along these streets, it's very good, very nice.
We're gonna go to College Drive. And then this is where we get the plan of the house which built the home.
Yeah.
Look at
Oh my goodness. Look at this place. Ooh. Ooh, I miss the
that's the house.
guys.
We
Can
used
you
to stay in this house. Then we got this plan from here. We took it home and we built the exact house like
exactly the
this.
same house? This
like
is
that.
the same house like our house back in Africa. Wow. That's why I like this place. It reminds me of my house back home. Do you hear that? It is my house.
Of course.
Back in Africa, the house, it is built by the man, but the house, when somebody is
Belongs
saying
to a
that I'm
woman.
going to, somebody is saying like I'm going to, maybe like I'm going to Irene's house. It's not saying like I'm going to, yeah, so it's our house. So that's why I like this town.
So we're gonna get back here again. We're gonna turn around and then we proceed where we are going.
Yeah.
Because up to now.
Yeah, like this place is so beautiful when it is summer. Like you can walk this around this golf field. You can play. You can do so many things. Yeah, you can do like your morning walks.
here on the left side. That's how we get the plant from here, because we used to stay here, and then we took it back home and we did the same thing.
Yeah, but only we did some changes. We did some little changes in like petitioning the rooms inside, because you know here we have like a two-car garage inside, but back at home we didn't put the garage inside the house.
And then here we have Sunset Suncrest office, which is of the apartment. And then there before, when I moved to this city, I'll show you where I used to live. Oh boy. So I used to live on that floor, 303. Remember? I used to live here on those apartments. The apartment I used to live here, very much here. This one. This is the apartment I used to live, called Broadway, and I used it to back around where this red car is parked. Apartment 303. That's where I used to live, on that floor there. That's where I used to live. And we are most African people around here in front of the park. There are white people, and they used to have mixed people. That's how we used to live here. That was very good for us. And the college students were here. And then there was life here was good. Life was good. Also, Bradbury was our apartment, so we used to stay there before my wife joined me. That's where I used to stay in a two-bedroom apartment, but I used to stay by myself. With these apartments, they don't have any parking. You have to park on the street here.
What's the problem?
Because sometimes you can wake up in the morning and you find your car was hit. Somebody hit your car and run away. They don't have a place where you can park. That's the parking method. Over here.
Are these things for
You
sale
pay. You
or
have to
for
put
free?
money. You use it and then you bring it back.
Logged?
Yeah.
That's
Remember we're looking for apartment here. Sometime back.
Otherwise, if we should have found it like the one we wanted, we should have moved here. But you know, if God never wanted us to live here, that's why.
Sorry, the old apartment, but they are good though. So Tisba, you find like the state is paying rent for the people who are staying there. They apply, and then if you get approved, the state can pay rent for you. Most apartment like the house like that.
Wow.
So that's where they are all the way down, and they are on this side too. So you find some old people, not that old that much, staying there. As long as you explain to the state why you want the state to pay rent for you for a certain period. So that's where they, because they have a figure, they can go to copy you, and the state can't copy you, and you can't look an expensive apartment and then you want the state to pay for you for that. Just put a little bit where you can be able to pay. Generalize for you. You are looking for a place to stay, you don't have money to pay, the state can pay for you, but uniformly the price will be the same. Not like you have to freedom to go and say, I need this. No.
and they have to check everything to make sure that you
Yep.
really need help.
Yeah, they check whether have you ever walked it, if you walk, how much you make it, blah blah.
And what is the reason for you not to work?
Why you just want, they can help you for 3, 6 months, 1 year, so that you pick up. Then you start. This is houses for the owners.
Show you the food which we got. Yeah, we had to go to the Chinese restaurant, and we got this food. I'm gonna enjoy my food as we head home. Yeah, as we head home, we are driving home. It's sunny and it is like 36 degrees outside. It's not so bad. There's no snow, there's no rain. So it's a good weather. Even if it is kind of cold, it is nice. We thank God, and thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, and let us know what you want us to show you on our next video. So for now, bye.